guys, so today I wanted you all to know about a very cool app which I got to know very recently, and I shopped from it few free trials which I really liked and I wanted to share with you guys. So basically this app is called Smittens, which you can see on the screen already, and it says you can get trials before you buy, and who will not like to try mini size samplers or products which is even a full size for free, and not exactly free, but you need to pay a very token amount. But this is a really cool app, and you can download it from the app store. Like you can see this page from the app store. I've already downloaded, so I'll open the app straight away, and now you can see the screen. And first of all, just see, you will get this free caffeine kit worth 697 with your next trial order. So let's see how it works. So basically, when you download the app and register in it with a referral code, which this is my referral code NFTU6MX. So you can use this while you register, and then you get 6 trial points. So just for free, and you can use those trial points to basically shop for products which are available in this app. So let's see. I also have 6 trial points, and now let's see what products are available. So these are the newly added trials. Then you have various brands like Mamaearth, Moms and Co, Just Herbs, M Caffeine, Soultree, and you also have intimate hygiene products from Everteen, from PSafe, Serona, and you also have option for accessories, makeup bags, makeup tools. So many products ranging from skincare to makeup to healthcare to healthy snacking to like various products from trial size to full size. And in this app, it's not just that you get to try the products, you can also shop for the full sizes. So this is basically a very cool app, which a very unique concept which I have never seen before. And this app is a win-win situation for us consumers who get to try the product before we buy or invest our hard-earned money in a full-size product. And this is also a win-win for various companies which can promote their product, and this is a good marketing strategy because at least from this app, while purchasing the trials, you get to know about so many unique products. And you maybe you buy which you like, and if you don't like a product, you will save your money actually, and you save your money from buying new products which you end up not liking or not using. So this is a very cool app, and let's see what we can buy in 6 trial points. So basically today we have 671 trials in total, and you can use those trial points to buy the products. Let's see how it works. So in the first, we have M Caffeine Coffee Scalp Scrub, which is worth 99, and you can try it for 2 trial points. Likewise, there will be so many products like perfume which you can avail for 1 trial point, this masala singh chana. And likewise, there will be so many product like this is the mint lip mask from Just Herbs. This is worth 185 again, and you can try it for 2 trial points. So there is one hack here which you can use, is that like this, you see the Moringa and Lang hair serum 8 ml. This is worth 625, but you get to avail it for just 1 point. So why not avail some product which is worth like more, and you get to try it for less trial points. So this is one thing which I have discovered. And you have so many products, and you can even filter the product from some brand which you want to buy, which will make your task easy. Like these are the brands which you get to buy from: Biotic and Cocosol. Really good brand. Like these are not some pathetic kind of brand which you are buying. These are very good brands, local brands which are emerging, and many established brand also. And generally I have seen in Smittens that they are committed to selling products which are natural, Ayurvedic, and healthy. So I really like their concept. Fruit Forest, so many products, Just Herbs, Kapiva, and even Korean brands like Claire's, Kaya Youth, and M Caffeine. You have so many options, guys. And the Derma & Co, if you can buy their product if you have any skin problem, acne problem. The natural wash, and you can even verify these products from Amazon or Myntra, wherever you like, and you can see their reviews from there, and you can buy it from here. So that is all. You can buy VLCC, Votre, and whatnot, like so many products, and you can filter out from here. So let's see what I filter out. So maybe I'll filter out Scent Botanica, Soultree, and Soultree. Then I'll filter out Plum, which is a very good skincare brand and which is very premium brand also. Actually, then I'll filter out M Caffeine. Then I'll filter out maybe Just Herbs, and let's see what next. So I'll filter out. What do I filter out? So maybe I'll filter out Everteen, which is an intimate hygiene brand. So that is it. I'll apply, and this screen will come with all those brands like M Caffeine Scalp Scrub, Mint Lip Mask, Then you have peach lip mask, which is worth 185, and you can avail it for 2 trial points. Like this, you have so many options from different brands, and like Plum Body Vanilla Vibes. This is basically a body oil which you can avail for 2 trial points, and you can avail the face wash, which is worth 20 milliliter. And one more thing which I wanted to tell is that when you get to try these products, these are so like cute and travel friendly that you can you will end up using these products while you travel. You can keep it in the purse and use it on the daily basis also. So now see, now let me avail 4-5 products. So I'll avail this product for 2 points. Then I'll avail this plum creme lotion. Then maybe I'll avail this hair shampoo for 2 trial points. And now I have already used 6 trial points. So let's go to the card. So now this is the thing which was showing on the front screen when we opened the app, that you will get M-Caffeine hair care kit for free. Let's see what. That is not all. Like, you used all the 6 points and you got the 3 product, but you still have option for free gifts which are available to you. And this is the gift, which is two M-Caffeine shampoo and oil set with a makeup bag also. And you have many options. Like, you can choose. You can get this Oziva hair mask plus the makeup bag worth 698, and you can get this perfume, and these products are completely free with your trial, completely free. Like this Mamaearth face mask discovery kit, this is completely free. So from here you can like confirm the free gift. So I'm gonna confirm this M-Caffeine one, and these are the like two hair care kit from M-Caffeine plus 1 bag. So you have this 3 product completely free, and these 3 products for your trial points. And one option is also there, that also try amazing products starting 49. So these products will not be available for cashback. Like, you will have to pay a very token amount for these products. Like, you see, this rosemary hibiscus hair straightening mask is worth 999, and you get to add it to your cart for just 129. And this M-Caffeine kit, which is worth 198, you get to add to the cart for rupees 999. So like this blemish cream, which is worth 600 rupees, you get to add it for 99. Likewise, there are many products which are worth like 3-4 times more, but you get to try it for 1/3 or 1/4 of the price. And you can try the makeup products or anything like that. This Kaya Youth sheet mask, which is set of 4, which is worth 500 rupees, and you get to add it for 200 rupees. And these are the makeup bags, which are worth like 500 rupees, but you get to get these products for just 50 rupees. So you have so many options. So let me see if I want to try any of these products. So guys, these are all the products we have, and I don't think I'll add any of these, but if you guys want, you can choose whatever suits your need. And now let's proceed to the payment. So in payment, you have 2 options. Either you pay 199 rupees, which is a token money. Like, you have added so many products which is easily worth 1000 plus, but you get these products in just 199. And that is not just the fact that you pay 199 straight away. When you pay 199, you get 199 cashback as well. Like, literally, if you see, you don't have to pay anything. You pay 199, you get 199 back, and you can redeem those cashbacks in 3 steps. Like, if you buy something from the Smitten stores, which is 499, then you can redeem 50 rupees. Likewise, if you buy worth something below 799, you can redeem 100 rupees. And if you buy something worth above 799, you can redeem all your cashbacks worth 199, and you probably get 30 to 31 days to make these purchases, which is really cool. And after that purchase, you get after that purchase, you get your 6 trial points back, and you can buy those trials again, like different trials. And there is also one cool fact, that these trials keep on changing. Like, some days you will have 360 trials, some days you will have 600 trials, and you always have the option to see the new trials. And when it comes to the option which you choose at the time of checkout, is that first I told you that you pay 199 and you gain 199 cashback. And the second option is to get 6 trial points straight away. Like, you don't need to get 199 cashback and you shop something from Smitten's within 31 days. You can just get 6 trial points straight away, and you can use those trial points for the next purchase of trials. So it's your option. So I'll choose I'll choose not to get cashback because right now I don't need anything, because I already have things which I need. So I'll get trial points, and if I get some exciting offers next time, I'll use those trial points to buy those products. So I'll select this option. And so guys, as you can see, I have made the payment, and my order has been created, and they are saying that it will be delivered by 17th of November. And as you saw, I opted for instant 6 trial points again. So you can see I have got 6 trial points, which I can again use for the next purchase. So that is it guys, and if you like my video, do like and subscribe. And if you really like this app and you want to save several bucks of yours and to try new products or to discover new products, you can always download this app from the Google App Store, and you can use my referral code. You can use my referral code, which is displayed here. And also you can do is that once you do any purchase or install the app, you can also refer this code to somebody else, and that way you will get 200 smitten bucks once that person places the order. And there are several options to get the smitten bucks. If you place 2 orders from 1 November to 21st November, you get 200 extra smitten bucks. And what you can do is you can use the smitten bucks to redeem those bucks for whatever points you have. You get to choose products from here completely free. If you have 249 smitten bucks, you can buy this French red clay and rose hay face wash worth 249. So that is it from my side. And you can always like and subscribe the video, and I will tag my reference code below so that you can install your app and use this beautiful app. So bye bye.